I attack with the gorilla attitude. I ain't true rating with the round flow. Click clack, my style's a different latitude. All the two climate in the time zone. You better hit the floor when I'm kicking it door. Roaring slash through your core with a sword, master inaudible. I've been slapping rappers before and I'm out for more. I am a warrior with a paper in the pants, laying your top 10. You ain't stopping me, bro, I'm unstoppable. Feels like top of the globe, rocking the boat out with the microphone. Knocking you out of your throne, you're a clone, it's well known. I'm defined to the bone in every chromosome. I'm a natural rebellion, weak rappers can't fuck with us. It's the ruthless Carvalian from the Middle Eastern Caucasus. Oh, hey, oh, I got my ammo in check, let's go. Oh, hey, oh, I'm reloaded, so bring it on. I'm out of control in my zone, never fold, so behold microphones like a chrome to your dome. When I'm doing it, killing, and I own every quote that I wrote, steady strong. Nothing is gone, it's a new beginning. Extra rest, I'll be the best around. You rappers are clowns, quit claiming to be imperious and past the crown. I got vast amount of raps that astound, laying your best is down like I'm blasting round. You're in a casket now. You point fingers and get your halo cracked. Me with the microphones like Al Capone with a baseball bat. Modern day nomad with updated format. On the way to bring the full stat, you can't hold back. I'm gon' wreck and displace your neck in your face. I'm from 90s, I'ma keep smacking the taste out of your mouth like back in the days. This ain't even a song, just a transitional phase. Fuck your names, I'm on my refresh with no delays. Cross that you're at and your crew is done. Bakar is a rebel from the Gürcistan. Oh, hey, oh, I got my ammo in check, let's go. Oh, hey, oh, I'm reloaded, so bring it on. I'm out of control in my zone, never fold, so behold microphones like a chrome to your dome. When I'm doing it, killing, and I own every quote that I wrote, steady strong. Nothing is gone, it's a new beginning.